Hi guys, welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. On this episode, I am going to show you how to make Ecuadorian's famous shrimp ceviche, or as it is pronounced in Spanish, ceviche de camarones. Coming up. To make ceviche de camarones, we are using 2 pounds of shrimp, peel and devein. Do not get rid of the skin, as we are about to use it in just about a minute. In a hot, boiling pot of water, we're going to cook the shrimp skin. Do not discard the water, as we're going to use it to complete this recipe. We are boiling for about 3 minutes. We are infusing the water with the flavor from the skin, and then later on we're going to use the same water to flavor the ceviche. These guys have been boiling for about 3 minutes. It's time to get them out of the water. I need that water for my shrimp. Make sure to fish anything else out of the water. You don't want any leftovers in there. I just want the plain water. Well, the water's not so plain now. It has that shrimp flavor. We're going to use that same water to cook the shrimp. Place the shrimp into the water, and we want to kind of undercook the shrimp a bit. They're going to stay in the water until they turn slightly pink. It should take about 1 minute or less. We do not want to overcook the shrimp. To enhance the flavor, add 1 cup of light beer. To the water, sprinkle some salt, about half a teaspoon. These guys are done. Let's get them out of the water quickly. I am placing the shrimp in the fridge now so they can cool off. By the way, ceviche is a cold dish, so everything needs to stay cold. Now, save about 2 cups of the shrimp infused water. We are slicing 2 red onions julienne style. Make sure to cut the onions very thin. Do not cut yourself. We are also dicing 1 green bell pepper. We are using about 1 cup of fresh cilantro. Chop it all up. We are also using 4 tomatoes diced. We need fresh limes for this recipe. Squeeze the juice of 10 limes into a cup. The shrimp is going to sit in the lime juice for a couple of hours before serving. This is going to make the ceviche taste fantastic. Get the shrimp out the fridge, and now they're nice and cool. Go ahead and pour in the lime juice over the shrimp. Squeeze the juice of 1 full orange. The orange is going to balance all the citrus coming from the limes and going into the shrimp. Now, it's time to combine all the ingredients together. Add in 1 cup of the shrimp infused water that we saved. Add in half a cup of ketchup. Season with salt and pepper to taste, about 2 teaspoons of salt. Some fresh ground pepper is always great. And the last ingredient, a splash of extra virgin olive oil. Let's mix all these ingredients together, mix it all in. Now, pour in 1 more cup of the shrimp infused water. The ceviche is now going to the fridge for 2 hours before eating. Serve cold. Stay tuned to show you how to serve it. It is traditional to serve ceviche with fried plantains. I am using 2 green plantains to make fried plantain cups. Cut the plantains in about 2 to 3 inches long. Fry the plantains over medium heat until they turn golden yellow. We're going to fry the plantains twice. It does not take long for them to turn yellow. But to ensure proper cooking, please keep turning them every so often. These plantains are ready. It is time to get them out of the frying pan, and we're going to make our plantain cups. Now, using a lemon squeezer, we're going to place 2 pieces of fried plantain into it, and we're going to squeeze. It's going to give it the shape of a cup. Keep the frying pan on medium heat, and we're going to refry it for a second and the last time. To ensure proper cooking, pour some of the hot frying oil in each plantain cup. Let's turn these guys upside down, and they are about done. The plantain cups are ready. We're going to get them out of the frying pan and serve immediately. Plantains after frying have the tendency to turn hard once they get cold. You have to eat right away. Think of plantains as French fries. Nobody wants to eat cold fries. Season with a sprinkle of salt. I am hungry. I want to eat. And you know what time it is. It is serving time. Fill up each plantain cup with ceviche. Make sure you get all the ingredients, even a little bit of the water. A little history about ceviche. As Spanish and indigenous cultures merged in Peru and Ecuador, the natives began to experiment with new ingredients. Cooks paired the juice of citrus fruits like lemons, limes, and oranges with the fresh seafood brought in from the coast. It was then that ceviche as we know it today was first invented. And if you don't want to eat ceviche with fried plantains, you may serve it over tostadas. Another option to eat ceviche is serving it over white rice. Let's give it a try. Look at that lime-infused shrimp. You know you want some. I know you do. Whoa! This is amazing. The lime-infused shrimp, the onion, the peppers, cilantro. It is instant heaven. And there you guys have it. Ceviche de camarones. Enjoy! If you guys enjoyed this recipe, please consider subscribing. Give it a thumbs up. Leave me some comments down below. And I think YouTube wants you to watch that recipe and that recipe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Thanks for watching.